Ciao. Anyway, so
Hello everyone. So before I start day 6, I just wanted to tell you something that really important. That after I recorded day 5 yesterday, I told you I need to go out. I don't remember if I told you or I told my on my video. But anyway, I was going out and when I was walking in the street because I love walking in the street, I was in a really high moment after the love meditation that I made from Sadhguru yesterday, and still actually till this moment. But yesterday I was just walking the street, enjoying my music. I was listening to some music that I love, and I was enjoying it and singing with it, but not loud, but singing with it and going like this with the music. And I was feeling that I was very light and very happy and enjoying every single moment. I was in the present moment and I was smiling and happy in a very beautiful and weird way in the same time, but it was so beautiful that I was just sometimes I feel like that's weird, but I love that sensation. I love that feeling that I feel. So yesterday after my meditation, my love meditation, it was amazing. So that I need to tell you about it before I start day number 6. So for day number 6, I still doing my chakra balance meditation. Yesterday it was amazing. The evening meditation, I still feel the same balance even more, and I feel like I'm so into it. And I did it again when I wake up this morning. I wasn't really focusing it this morning because I wake up late and I needed to get ready and jump in the street because I had to travel to Cairo to do some stuff, and then I had a really blast time with a friend of mine. And today is amazing since from the moment I wake up till this moment I'm recording this video. I feel so amazing. I feel so much happiness and joy and love, and this day is amazing. And I feel when I started this meditation, when I compare myself in day 6 to day number 1, there's a huge difference in just 6 days, guys. And I don't know what gonna happen when I reach day 30, but each day is more like amazing. It's more beautiful. It's happier and joyful from the day before. Even I had a little bit crying and some stuff from 2 days, but still amazing. So every day after I started this meditation challenge, I feel more motivated to continue doing it in a really amazing way that I never thought that I would feel that way. Actually, I thought it will be like a tedious thing, and the change will be so slow, and what I feel right now I didn't expect it at all. So I'm so happy that I decided to make this challenge weekly video for you, because I can't wait to share this with you. Because from my perspective, if this really helped me in like this massive way and change everything and change how I feel and how I think in this different way in just 6 days, of course it will help a lot of you. And if you are going through a lot of problems and bad moments, I really recommend start doing this, because you will feel so much better if you really get into it. And from my experience, from my challenge that I'm doing right now, I'm so happy that I had these problems actually. That makes me think in that way and makes me think about making that meditation challenge. So stay tuned for day number 7.